In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit long date format in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings, and from here you can quickly navigate to the area where your date display preferences are managed. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your account-related options are typically located. If you're following along in real time, take a second to pause and confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Next, click on your profile. This will open the menu that contains your personal account settings and customization options. From that menu, choose Preferences. The Preferences section is where Ownerrez lets you control how certain information appears throughout the platform, including date formatting. After the Preferences page opens, look for the setting labeled Long Date Format. This is the specific option that controls how longer date displays appear in your account. If dates are currently showing in a style you don't prefer, this is where you can update them to a format that's easier for you to read and work with. When you find long date format, click on the drop-down button next to it. This will reveal the list of available date format options. Take a moment to review the choices carefully. Different formats may display the month, day, and year in slightly different ways, so selecting the right one can help improve clarity and reduce confusion when reviewing bookings, reservations, or calendar details. Now select the new long date format you want to use. Choose the option that best matches your preferred way of reading dates. This can be especially helpful if you're used to a certain regional format or if you want your account to display information more consistently across your workflow. Once you've made your selection, click Save. This is an important final step because your change won't be applied until you save your updated preference. After saving, Ownerrez will confirm that the update was successful. You should then see a message indicating that your preferences have been saved. That confirmation lets you know the new long date format is now active. And that's it. You've successfully updated the long date format in Ownerrez. If you're adjusting your account for better readability, this is a simple but useful setting to personalize. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.